For the AZ-900, it's important to understand all the different core architectural components that make up Azure. So let's take a look at a definition. You can see here that the core components are the essential functions, principles, and associated elements and intervention activities deemed necessary to produce desired outcomes. This is a general definition of core components, but let's see what they are within Azure itself. First off, we've got Azure regions, region pairs, and sovereign regions, all important pieces of the AZ-900 exam. And we're going to go through all these different definitions coming up, but it's important to know what the components are as well, such as availability zones, Azure data centers. As you see off to the right, there's a picture of an Azure data center complex. Many different data centers. I've been to some of them, and they are so large, some of them you can't see the end of them because of the curvature of the earth. So it's a very interesting experience to go into an Azure data center. Azure resources and resource groups. Remember, resources fit into resource groups, just as you saw during the creation of a virtual machine within Azure, as well as storage. Then there are subscriptions. So Azure resources and resource groups fit into subscriptions, and then they fit into management groups. So there's this hierarchy. So let's take a look at the hierarchy once again. You've got management groups, subscriptions, resource groups, and then resources. It is important to know the order, the hierarchy of these different resources. I'm back in the Azure portal, and as I mentioned, you've already seen me create a resource group and a resource in previous videos. I'm going to type in management groups, and here you can see management groups as an option. Inside the management group, you can see my Azure subscription. And the default name you see here is the tenant root group. You can certainly create other names as well. And I can put multiple different subscriptions inside this tenant root group. It's also important to know that you can have multiple different users be owners and managers of Azure subscriptions. Core components are what drive any product or project. Be sure to have a complete understanding of these components to pass your AZ-900 exam.